What's up, everybody? We're getting ready to do the Trump parade, right? Whoop, whoop, wah, wah, wah. And if you look down the river here, so far so good. It looks like we're getting ready to have a good turnout. Right, Jed?
Yeah, man.
We'll see you when you see us. Bye.
Okay, not too much planned here. We was running south on Indian River, meeting up with some friends. Walker and company, just hanging out.
Are you ready to party, girls?
Yeah.
Yes. You really good?
We're ready for the boat.
Say hey, dude. Say hey, boy. Say hey. Everybody ready to go? Wow.
We started to make our way into Middle River, getting ready for the troops. Behind us, Trump supporters was just overwhelming.
Alrighty, we have caught up to the troops, and it is unbelievable.
I got big expensive things, I'm afraid it don't come free. I can't give you what you want, love and fancy hair. The sweetest thing
2020, and you will do that. That's a lot.
I can break up on the floor, my shoes are made of gold.
Rounding the tip of southern Merritt Island, also known as Dragon Point, the apparent support for Donald Trump and the Republican Party was making it known in Brevard County as well.
There are funky people, come on, take my hand.
We made our way through Mather's Bridge, finally taking a needed break at Bird Island.
We know what time it is. It is cleanup time. Thanks so much, everybody, for coming out and supporting Donald Trump. And thanks, everyone, changing America one vote at a time. I'm Michael Marks, Port Canaveral, Florida. See you later. Thanks for watching. What? Oh, and Jet, are you missing your pants?
I can give you what you want, good love and fancy hair. The sweetest thing that money can buy, 'cause I'm a millionaire.